Hello.
Hi, good morning, everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, sir.
Hi. So we met on Thursday, right? Sorry, today is Friday, Wednesday. Right. Number formats, yes. We were discussing number format, right? And we discussed up to long date, short date, everything we discussed. So what is shortcut key for format cells? Control? Control one. Not like control plus and then one. Whenever I'm saying any shortcut key, control plus this or shift plus this, not plus symbol, correct? Control plus that symbol, right? That key, particular key. Okay. Okay, so and what is the difference between shortcut and hotkeys?
Hotkeys, you can assign your own
Whatever it
number.
is, starts with control. Correct.
A plus one by one.
One by one. Right. The difference between shortcut key and hotkey is all the shortcut keys will be starting mostly with control, right? Hotkeys will start with alt. With whatever shortcut key you are using, that it has to press together, right? Example, filter, Control Shift L. Control Shift L, we need to press together, right? Same for filter, we have one more shortcut, that is Alt 80. But Alt 80 you can use one by one, right? Alt A plus T. And I told you that how can you identify that? Okay, this is the hotkey for a particular function, particular option. Then you need to press just Alt key. Once you press Alt key, you will find that there will be few alphabets will be highlighted. Based on that, you can see that okay, this is the hotkey for this. Example like Shift. I know that I know that filter. Filter is available into data. Then Alt is already pressed. I'll press A. Then filter. Which alphabet highlighting T? Alt A. Alt A plus T. Done? Done. Okay. Then we discuss about our format cells. Format cells might be I can go with the right click and format cells. This window will be appearing. Or I can click on any of the groups like in home, I can click on font group like this. Same window will be there, but it will take you to the font wala tab, right? I can click on alignment, same window, but it's into under alignment. There are different tabs available. Now we are discussing number. Now we discuss about alignment, font, border, fill, production. Then, or you can also apply shortcut key that is called control one. Control, then control. Now, and after that, we also discussed about the date, time, right? So the system by default start date is 1/1/1900. 1/1/1900. Nothing but.
Am I audible?
Hello. 1/1.
Unable to see your screen, sir.
Yes, I'll share my screen now only because you just
Okay. No.
cap the things whatever you covered so far.
Yeah. No problem.
Now can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Ayappa, you are audible. You asked this question. Done. So if I writing one, default one in date format will be 1199, right? The one value in time format will be for what time? 1:12 a.m. Our time starts at 12 a.m. Half of the time will be finished when? 12 p.m., right? Because 24 hours, half the time will be finished by 12 p.m. So if I write 0.50, you see, time format it will be 12 p.m. That's what we discussed, right? Okay, now percentage wise, 1 is what? 100%. 0.5 is what? 50%. 0.25 is what? 25%, right? Now, fraction wise, if I'm telling about what is 0.25 fraction will be 1/4 fraction, right? Because 0.25 is what? Fourth only, right? 1/4. If I change this into fraction, now you see here, 1 minute. Too slow. Control 1, yes. Number and go with the fraction. This also we discussed, right? See 1/4. Now, special and custom. Special and custom, I will give you examples here. Let's suppose I have few numbers. Numbers are like this: 12, 124, 456, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 1, 8, 9, 8, 8, 1. Okay, there are few numbers. These are the numbers. Right? Now, what is my requirement is, let's suppose these are the employee IDs. Employee IDs, right? These employees IDs should be 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Nothing but for this 12, how many zeros will be added? Suffix, prefix with zeros, right? Like I can say that, okay, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros and 1, 2. This is how I need to add it. But if I add it like this, can you see? It's not getting added. In this case, how many zeros I'll add? Because 6 digits I don't want to create it, right? So in this case, I'll add 3 zeros. 1, 2. Not able to add it. In this case, again 3. In this case, 2 zeros I'll add. First of all, first challenge is the 0 is not getting added. The 0 is not getting added. Second challenge is, if you have so many numbers, let's suppose you have some 500 numbers. How many numbers? 500 numbers. Do you think that you'll add all the zeros? First of all, you need to check, okay, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Then you will have to add 3 zeros. Not possible. And those up to 500 rows. Manual. Can you add? No. You to both the concept. We can't add, right? 6. We can't add, correct? कर सकते क्या? बोलो. This is yes, this is no. कर सकते हैं? हिंदी आता क्या? आपको आता है हिंदी सबको? यहाँ पे एक बंदा था ना उसको बोला हिंदी नहीं आता. Okay, so the thing is that, yes, it will take time, we can't add it, but zero also I can add it. The first challenge is, how can I add the 0 here? That is the first question. Example 1, 2, 3. From hitting enter key, not adding. We can add it with the help of which format? Text format. Change the text format, then you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, done. In this case, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Okay, this is what I'll do. I'll give it this file to you and you can add it manually. For 500,000 rows, will you do it for me? I have already helped you that, okay, this is what you can do. This is how you can add. Then now you can do it, right? Correct? Yes or no? See, I like the confidence. He's saying, yes, I can do it. You can do it, right? Time consuming. वो correct. Point valid है. सही बोल रहे देखो. Time consuming होता देखो आप देखिए ना. I can do it, but it will take time. Correct. He's saying, yes, I can do it, but it will take time. Yes. Same thing, you can also tell your boss that in office, yes, I will do it, but it will take time. Entering 1,000 rows, it will take minimum 2 hours. Yes or no? Or more than that also, if I'm not wrong. Yes. In this case, what you can do it, instead of doing like this, same number is there, select this range, go to control 1, go to custom. Okay. What is my format? How many digits you want? 6 digits. I will press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many zeros? 0 can be any number. Why I'm entering 0? Nothing but 0 is nothing but it can be any number. Now can you see 6 zeros? Hit OK. Do you see the results? Initial only, to be initial only, to be added to the prefix only, not suffix. Done? First. Second thing is, let's suppose you are part of HR team. You recently joined your HR, you recently completed your MBA in HR, major in HR. Okay. Recently joined HR in any of the company, and you're maintaining a database, and the task was given to you is you have to maintain a new joiner list. New joiner list wherein they need a serial number, they need employee name, they need employee ID, they need employee cell number, they need employee address, the employee PAN number, employee Aadhaar card number. You have to maintain in Excel file. Okay, you have maintained. But the thing is that in cell phone or mobile number column, okay, you are entering a mobile number like this. Example, this is the mobile number 9988776655. 10-digit mobile. Right? Another number is, let's suppose 88776655. Fancy number है किसी का number नहीं. So these are the numbers you are maintaining like this, right? Now let's suppose you have a database of 100 or 200 employees. Your boss comes to you and then, oh, excellent job, you're doing a great job. The only thing that I only request from you is, can you please add +91 country code? Can you please add +91 country code to each and every number? To each and every number, how will you add? Same thing, you will do it like you will change first of all into which format. Then you will add, you will go here and then you will say +91 space and first done. Then again you will go here +91 plus. ऐसा करोगे? वो तो हर कोई कर सकता है, 10th क्लास में भी करता है बच्चा, अपना जो छोटा बच्चा है तो उसको दे दो वही कर दे. Same thing, right? Again +91 space enter, +91 space enter. So यहाँ गेम चल रहा है भाई. ठीक है? Great, you think like that only, right? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. So how can you change all these number prefix with country code? Prefix with how I gave that these number into 6 digit, added how many zeros? In this case, what I will add? +91. That's it. Control 1, go to this format, custom, and go here and say +91. How many digit number? 10-digit number. Number can be anything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit OK. Job is done. You like this? Kasam se? Done?
So how to remove +9?
How to remove +91? Yes. Go there again. Go here, select it and remove it. Hit OK.
When I download Facebook data, into that, sir, defaultly +91 is compulsory.
Is there already. Okay, you have to remove that.
Yeah, at that time, I'm
Select
supposed to use every time backslash remove backslash. Please,
This is the way I showed you, know. This way. Select the number and did this way, do this way. Done? Okay. Now next number. Next number is, if you have any friend, any relative in US, right? how they are taking the writing number like this, plus 1, 1, dash, 2, 3, dash. This is how they are writing the number. Yes or no? US people,
Yes.
yes or no? This format I know for US numbers. Or let's suppose in this column there is no number. There is no number. But whenever I write US number, that should be starting with +1 and then this format dash wala format. That I want. How can I do that? Select the particular column. Okay, there's no number. But whenever you enter a new number, that time the format should be like that only. Okay, only US number. I want to write it down. Control 1, go to custom. Okay, then I will write +1 space 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros dash 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros dash. Done. Hit OK. Now you enter US number. So only I'm entering number, not +1. I'm not starting with +1. Why not +1? Because it's already defined in the formatting. 201, 134, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is the number. I'm just entering. Now next number. Let's suppose I'm giving 201, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. Done. Like it. Or if you already have a number that you want to change it, then select those numbers and apply the formatting. Correct? Like in this case, I applied here, right? I select the number and I'll apply the formatting. But here I applied in blank cells only. So that whenever you write a new number, that same number will be shown here. This one. Now you get a question. How about +91? If you have mix of numbers like different country codes, not possible. Again, you need to select all the numbers first, then you have to do it. Like example, in the US, there are so many Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshi, right? And there are so many people they working there, right? But example, if they want their permanent number, maybe they need if someone is working from India and he's working there, then they need that number. The number will be +91 only, right? Mix up of countries. In that case, you need to select those numbers and then you need to give the format. But
What will be changed? Its initial code will country code will be changed, right? So in that case, how I can remove those prefix? It is completely different, right?
You want to remove. Then prefix will be example, say in this case +1, right? In India case +91. In India case, it will give me this back. You can sit here. Give me this. You can sit here. My back. Okay, so in this case, what you can do, you can select that particular column and remove plus and then those numbers. Example like I have mix of this number +1, right? Or I have mix of +91. I'll select this column and then I will go here and then I will say Control 1 and I'll go to custom because here has some blank cells, right? If I select number like it, let me add a few numbers. The number is this. Mix of these numbers, right? Selected Control 1. If you click on this custom, can you see those formatting here? No, right? In that case, you cannot do in one shot, but what you can do is you can choose these particular formats first, go there and then remove this +1. Then these numbers go here and remove this. Or I can also apply formula there. When we will discuss the formula, I'll tell you that formula.
And what happens in sorting is it is in time format in sense. plus 91, plus 92, plus 1, plus 3.
You can apply sorting and then you can do it like this.
Then how I can arrange in particular? Plus 91 all the numbers, plus 1 all the numbers.
That we'll discuss in sort and filtering. Done? This is okay. Now, next exercise is here is let's suppose I have few names. Or yeah, few names. Example. I want to, let's suppose I have name like this. First name I have, and I want to add Mr. Let's suppose I have Indian men's cricket team. The first name I have Indian men's cricket team, not women, men's cricket team. And with the first name I want to add Mr. With all the names, Mr. Virat, Mr. Rohit. That I want to add. Remember two things in this custom formatting. This is called which formatting? Custom formatting. After this custom formatting, we also discuss conditional formatting here. That is different. Okay. Custom formatting is advanced level of, sorry, conditional formatting is advanced level of custom formatting, but in custom formatting, we have few exercises like this. I just want to add Mr. before the first name. So remember, we are using @ for text and hash for number. Hash for number, @ for text. What I want to add here? Mr. Nothing but the name should be like this. Mr. Dot. Yes or no? Yes, this is what I want. So means Mr. I want to add. So this Mr. should be in double quote like this. And then I can say @. Why @? @ can be any name. Can be any name. Can be any name. This is the format I use. Simply I'll copy this. I'll select the names like this. Control 1, go to custom and just copy and paste the same thing. 1 minute, if it is not getting copied and pasted, write it manually. Mr. 1 double quote. Mr. dot double quote close @. Hit OK. Can you see? Let's suppose I have few names like this. Manoj. Kishore. Manoj and this time I want to add Kumar. Nothing but Manoj Kumar, Kishore Kumar. I want to add. Kumar is the fixed word. So if I have added Mr. in beginning, nothing but prefix with Mr. Now in this case, it will be suffix. Prefix with what? Adding initial. Suffix means after. Got it? Here I want to add. It means I want to add Kumar, right? So first name can be anything. It means @ right? Then what I will do? After this, I want to add Kumar, right? Space. This is the format I'll use. Done. I can copy this. I can select here Control 1, custom, or if I'm not pasting it, I can write it manually also. Go there, @ okay, space, and then Kumar. Done. Hit OK. Done. Now, I have few numbers. 99, 88, 77, 66, 55. 10-digit mobile number. I do not want to add +91. I just want to add 0. Only 0. So what I can do, either I can go there, I can go to custom and then I can apply how many times zeros? 11 times. 10-digit number, 1 0 is there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See there is 0 here, sample. Hit OK. Instead of that, let me apply Control Z. Control Z is what? Control Z. Same thing, I'll take it, I'll copy and paste here, but not with this custom format, adding the 0, nothing but 11 times zeros. I'm not going to add that, but I will go with this format. For number, what we are adding? What we are adding? And hash can be any number. Hash can be any number, right? So what I will do is I want to add 1 0, right? So see here. If I want to add 1 0, then the formatting should be like this. Then I'm adding how many zeros? 1 0. 0 is there, and hash is what? Number. I use this formatting. Choose it, go there, custom, and double quote 0, and then number, right? Then hash. Hash is for what?
Number.
At the rate is for what? Text. Done. If I want to add 2 zeros, then tell me. It should be 2 zeros here. See? How many? Double quote on the double quote only we need to use. Single quote also we can use, but I'll tell you why single quote when you want to use. Scientific format I told single quote. If I'm writing any number, 11 digit, it's up. Like example, if I'm writing number 1, accepted. But whenever I'm writing number 12 digit number, what happening? 11 plus numbers, right? So in this case, what I can do, I can apply single quote here. Single quote, enter. Single quote, what it does basically, it will change the number from into text. Either I can write 1, 2. It's already text format. We can see text format. But if it is general format, now if I change this into again text format, double click. Now can you see this? This smart tag, same like. So nothing but what happens is that if you're applying single quote, smart tag will be there, and it will be visibly completely text, numbers, everything, whatever length of the text will be there. Here I apply single quote, and this is applied after text. Okay.
What is the maximum range of one cell, single cell? In case of number and text.
Can you tell me? Any idea, guys? This is the limit. 255 alphabets and numbers. Done. These kind of things we will not ask in the interview. To get an additional number. To get the additional number. More than 10. If you 1 is there now. If you want to get another one number, then you have to do it text format only. Text format. So without text format, you can't. Without text format, you can't do it. It should be text format only because number will be accepted up to 11 digit. That will be shown in electronic format. This scientific format. But very rarely you get this kind of numbers, figures. If we talk about the amount now, you don't get the big numbers, amount section. It can be your Aadhaar card number or any other number like, Amazon order ID or Flipkart order ID. This will be lengthy numbers, 18 digit, 16 digit numbers, right? Okay. This is okay? Okay. Now you see here, one thing is in system, predefined format is system will be like all the numbers will be reading like positive, negative, 0 and text. Positive, negative, 0 and text. See, positive number can be any number, right? I am just writing 0.00. Let me just change in text format. 0. positive number. It can be like 1 point, or it can, sorry, it can be 1, 2, 3, 20, 100, whatever it is, but it should be positive number. Negative number I can write like this, minus 0.00. It can be any number. 0 will be 0 only. Now, do not get confused with this and this. This is for positive number. This is for only for 0. This is only 0. Text will be taken as a like at the rate. This is the predefined format in the system. Text will be at the rate. Okay, now say let's suppose in this range. Let me remove this formatting first. This is my range. In this range, if I write any positive number, then the positive number should be highlighted in which font color? Green color. If I am writing any negative number, that should be highlighted in red color. If I'm writing 0, that should be blue. Any text should be yellow. In this range, I selected the range also, right? Now the format, which format I will use is, go to custom and format I already told you, right? How can I write the positive number? 0.00, 0.00, done. Semicolon. Next number is negative number, minus 0.00, done. Again, semicolon. Next number is which number? 0. This is the format we need to follow actually. Predefined system format only. Okay, done. First is positive number, negative number, 0, and then again semicolon. Last is what? Text. This format, system defined format only. We can't do anything. This is the format we need to follow. Done. Now let's come back to the colors. Right? Where is the positive number? This one. Put the cursor before the positive number. Square bracket. Which color you want for a positive number? Green. For negative number, before the minus symbol, put the cursor here and do which color? Red color. Before 0, 0 should be in which color? Text should be in which color? Hit OK. Now in this range, this is my range. Apply any positive number. 1, 2, 3. Which color? Minus 900. Tell me, color will be for this?
Hello.
Color for this will be?
Hello.
Tell me, color of this will be?
Blue.
Done. Sorry? Why we are using semicolon means we are using semicolon in order to bifurcate the numbers. Bifurcate the numbers, text, whatever it is. Done? Any questions?
If we do
See, now-
copy paste,
Sorry?
the format will be loosened, right?
Control C and let me put it here. Let's check it. Control 1. Yes, it's there. Yes, Control C, Control V will be working. Done. Now,
If you copy any other number and keep it in this,
any other number. Okay, let's suppose I'm writing.
not writing, copy pasting any other number and keep it in here. So you have on G86, you have 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, Control C and pasting here, right?
Yeah.
Simple paste or the values pasting?
Yep. And if you do the simple paste, normally what people will do, so we'll do this format, right?
Not work, will not work. Because see, I'm copying the entire cell. But what if I will do the copy of the number only? Control C and let me apply here. Control V. Now it's working. Because what I copied only number. If I'm copying only number, the number is pasting here. But if I'm copying directly cell, it means the cell formatting is also getting copied.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, next question. See, what happens is that if I write any number in this range, it's kind of interesting thing. In this range, if I write any positive number, that will not be appear. Before this, I'll take you an example here. Let me give black color to this and black color to this. I'm writing 1, 2, 3. Is it visible? Why?
Format of your text is in
But
black
this
color
person
and the
will
blocks
come-
color is also in black color.
The West Indies person will come in night and he will stand and you can't see him. Instead of accept his teeth. And he'll laugh, right? Happens. Same thing here. Black background with black text. Here's one good example. Black font color. Font color is what? Black. Cell color is what? If I say cell color is, if cell color is black, font color is white, visible? 1 minute. This is what? Font color. 1, 2, 3. I'll tell you the reason of also this. Let me take here numbers. Let me write 1, 2, 3. Not visible, but font color visible. In that cell, I'll tell you what I applied. Done. But if it is black font and black cell color, not visible. Okay. Now you see, in this range, I'm not gonna give any color to this example. Let me just no fill to this. And font color is by default. This is what we do, right? By default, what happens? If you're entering a new sheet, by default, what is that? Black font color रहता है. If I'm writing 1, 2, 3, font color white, fill color white. Sorry, font color black, fill color white. By default. But see here, in this range, what I will do is I will remove this positive number. The positive number starting from here, right? I'll remove this entire thing. Hit OK. Now you write any positive number there, any only positive number. Let's suppose 1, 2, 5. Visible? I'm writing here 130. Visible? Why? If I'm putting my cursor here, the value is there 130, but not visible here. Why? Why? White color? No. See, by default, if I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, it's visible. Same format, white and black. But here is also same white and black. White is not visible. That is custom formatting. Let's suppose same range. If I'm writing any negative number, what I will do, I will remove this negative number from here, entire thing, except semicolon. Do not remove semicolon. Done. Now you write any negative number here, -1 to 1. This time I want, if I write 0, should not be visible. I will remove 0 also. Don't remove the semicolon. Done. I do not want text also. Now how many left semicolons? 3. Now this is the kind of game you can play with your colleagues also. Now you enter anything in the cells, nothing will be visible. 1, 2, 3 positive number. Minus 1, 2, 3 not visible. 0. Text ABC not visible. Let's suppose I am going to open new worksheet. Select the entire range. Go there, Control 1, and directly apply. How many semicolons? Now ask your colleague, can you please enter anything? He'll enter, okay, 1, 2, 3. Hit enter. Nothing is visible. Hit ABC. Hit 0. Hit text already entered, right? Hit minus negative number. Then he will ask, no, I know why it is not visible. Okay, tell me. He'll tell you, see this color. Then see, the color is only white and black font. But here, same formatting here also. White and black, nothing but fill color white, font color black, visible here but not there. Here we have applied custom format. I want to make it visible. Select all, Control 1, remove this formatting. Remove it, hit OK. Now it is done. Any questions so far? Good.
So your one, how to balance means,
Sorry.
your one long cut in the sense, you're using shortcut, right? What is the manual process?
Told this already, guys, so many times. Today also I told this. Why are you asking the same question again and again?
Sir, mostly where are you using this custom format?
When?
Where do you use this format mostly? In
No, this format actually, basically this format we are not using it. This is just good
just
for
basic, right? Okay.
knowledge.
Okay. Right.
When we started the class, that time also I told 3 ways to do the same window. You were late. Yesterday also, I mean, nothing but Wednesday also, I told you the same thing, that how can I get this window? I can click here or right click, format cells or F1, right? Then where are we? Class में मतलब ये नहीं कि we should ask question. पूछो question. I'll tell 100 times, but no repeated questions, please. Don't mind, okay? For everyone. Okay. For that also, I give resolution. We check the video first and join the skills. Huh? Because yeah, why I'm telling you all these things is, it will take time to explain it again. Because it kills the time for others. Yes or no? Done? Okay. Now, another format is this. If I write a number, if that number is more than or equal to 100, the color should be red color. If the number is less than and less than 100, less than equal, greater than, greater than 100, red, and less than 100, green. If text is there, then that should be in. Now you can understand this formatting, right? You can copy this, and let's suppose I can use in this range, Control 1, go to custom, and apply Control V. See, greater than number, color should be red. Less than 100, color should be green. And blue, nothing but this is for text. 120, color is, because see what I explained here, greater than equal to 100. If I'm writing minus 89, if I'm writing ABC, these formats are basically we use at times. Let's suppose in this format, accept only positive values. Except only if number is less than 0, then it means that is nothing but negative. Yes, you can give this format, nothing but if number. For number we are using hash, nothing but greater than 0. Greater than 0. And number can be anything, any number, hash for this. If it is not getting true, put a semicolon. If not is getting true, then what I'm entering here, enter positive value only. How many of you understood this point? What I'm saying is, if the number, whatever number I'm gonna enter in these cells, this is my range example. I'm gonna copy the same thing here. If the number is greater than 0, nothing but greater than 0 matlab kya hai? Positive number, right? Less than 0 means negative. If I'm entering greater than 0, then it should accept. Otherwise, the message will be enter positive number only. If you're trying to write like minus 32, less than 0, then this message will be appearing. Okay, copy this. Select this range, Control 1, go to custom and hit OK. Now apply. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3 positive number. Minus 32 negative number. What is the message? Done. This is how you can do it. Okay, let me choose this data set.
Sagar, one question.
Hmm.
So on the number that you updated as a negative value and it shows you the enter the positive value as a text.
Mhm.
So on that, if you go to that cursor position and see what value will be there, it will be a 0 or it will show you enter positive number as a
Good question. Good. Yes, yes. So display value is what?
enter positive value only.
Now let me write a number. Display value is what?
2.5.
Original value is what?
2.5.
Display value is what?
3.
Original value is what?
2.5.
Display value is what?
Enter positive value only.
Original value is what?
Minus 32.
Clear?
Yep, got it.
If I do multiplication, this multiply by 2, result will be
5.
result will be 5. Original value is what? 2.5 multiplied by 2. We discussed it, right, in second class. If I'm going to copy this, tell me. I'm going to copy formula or the value. Tell me. I'm going to copy 5 or I'm going to copy the formula. Let me do this way. 1 minute. We'll explain it better. Let me write 10. What is shortcut key of sum? How to apply sum with shortcut key? I told you already. Alt equal, right? Alt equal. Now let me write few numbers here. Number 40, 30, and 20. What will be? 90. Now I'm just going to copy this and pasting here. Tell me, if I'm copying this and pasting here, result will be 60 or result will be 7? Result will be 90. Tell me.
60.
If you are saying 90, 91, 92. Okay, you tell me wrong answers. Okay, don't get scared. Okay, tell me. 60. You 90, 90. 90. You
90, I have plus.
60. You 90. You online participants. Tell me.
60.
60. Okay. Now you tell me, if I'm going to copy this value and pasting here. Listen, if I'm going to copy this and pasting here, what will be my original value? 2 point? Why not 3?
It's a display number and it's a quotient number.
Now you tell me. Now you tell me. I am going to copy this and pasting here. Now tell me, it will be 60 or it will be the formula?
Formula, sir.
If I'm copying this pasting here, now tell me the result will be
90.
90. Now clear? Now clear? Clear अभी समझ में आया? Always we copy this value always, whatever is showing in the formula bar, whether it is formula, whether it is value, whatever it is. We are going to copy formula, not the value. If you want to paste here 60, in that case, I need to apply paste special values. Paste special values. So here I can apply that. I can apply Alt ES. I'll also discuss this point also. Paste special values you can do and hit OK. Now 60. But simply copy and pasting means whatever is showing in formula bar, that will be copied. In this case, it is a formula. Formula will be copied. Pasting here. Pasted. Clear? Where? 60, 60. Yes.
So we copy this and paste in
Here in this cell. Automatically it will take. Automatically it will take. Excel is working like, you are copying this formula, pasting in the respective column cell, it will pick up. Done. Any questions? Done. Now, let's suppose I have this data set. Let me delete all. Wait, these are data set. Let me put it here. Let me employee name. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4. Marks. Great. XYZ, whatever it is, okay? Some grades are like this. Tell me, this is my data set. Okay. Why it's taking too long, this space for this cell?
Because of the header of employee name is more than the text of std1.
Yes, do agree? For grade, it's taking only this much of space. Why? Because the heading, it's GRADE. As per the heading, the column width will be there. Yes or no? Now, if it is taking too long for these three columns, how can I do it? What I'll do, I will just go to alignment and then I can change the alignment to, let's suppose, 90 degree. Now it is 90 degree. Now you see. And simply I can select the entire data set. I can choose any of the row, any of the column, sorry, double click on this. Now see the space. Alignment of the text, 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle. It will save the time. It will save the space of the column. If you want to, that you can change again. So to select it, Control 1, go to alignment and put a 70 degree here, or manually change it. Like manually also you can do like this, 52, 39. Instead of that, simply write it here, 70 degree. Done. Control Z. Okay, let's suppose what you have done is everything was good actually. Everything you did well in your projects and everything. But let's suppose you're part of reconciliation team. How many of you have commerce background? So we know bank reconciliation, right? Bank reconciliation, or if you are in help desk team, closing tickets and everything, you are maintaining a database of tickets, right? In that case, you have a prepared data set and you send the data to the boss, to your boss, management, top management team. You're sending like this data set. Is it good? Why not good? Result was perfect, everything is fine, but formatting is not correct. How can I fix this formatting? If you have so many columns and or everything, then what you can do is you cannot go one by one. You cannot double click on this, okay, set, double click on this set. Instead of that, what you can do is you can select entire data. I want to fix with all all the columns. Select all column and click on any of the column. Double click on this. Can you see this plus symbol? Now row should be like also same, right? Go to the row. Can you see this plus symbol? It cannot be like this. Here you cannot double click because I do not see that plus symbol. The plus symbol will be here like this. Double click on any of the row. Done. Not this correct format. But next is this is the number. Vertically means this way, right? Vertically. Horizontal means this way. Now, if I say vertically aligned to top, this 1, 2, 3 will go where? Here, yes or no? So control 1, alignment vertically, if I say on top, result is here. Vertically, I say vertically bottom, the number will be here, yes or no? See here, vertically bottom. If I say vertically center, it will be in center. If I say horizontally right, means this number will be here. Horizontally left, number will be here. Horizontally right. Instead of like going here left and right, simply what you can do is select the cell center and center. Vertically and horizontally. Directly you can choose. Done? समझ में आ रहा? Your name? Mrityunjay. Done? Any questions, guys? 1 minute.
Hello.
Yes, please, please.
Sorry for interrupting you. Could you repeat that before this one? Employee name, marks of student, how to plus symbol. That is just a little bit my mind is upset. That is the reason.
Okay, let's suppose I have this data set.
Okay.
New worksheet. Let me put it here. Let me say name, marks, grade. Done. I have formatting like this. Everything you did great while preparing data set, but you send the data like this to your boss. Will it be happy? Will not be happy. Why? Because of the formatting. I cannot go one by one to set all the column bits like this. Okay. I need to, like decrease the column size like this. Again, for this also I need to just drag it. Instead of that, what you can do is simply select all. Select all means click on this. Can you see this down arrow? Okay, click on it. Then hover over your mouse on any of the column. This column line, not in between. Whenever you see this plus symbol, then double click. Either you can double click here, or here, or here, or here, wherever you want. Okay, but this plus symbol should be appear. Double click. Done. Column wise okay. Now row wise I'm not okay. Now go with row. Double click on. Done.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Welcome. Okay. How many of you are from science background? 1, 2, 3. Medical, maths.
Intermediate biology.
Okay, okay. It suffices my requirement. The requirement is here. I'll ask one question, but not science background, although everyone has studied this in 10th class, 9th class. What is it? I asked this question earlier also. Huh? Did I ask? Getting call again one night. Done. Tell me, H2SO4, is it good to write like this? Tell me the correct way of writing this in your notepad and show me. No notepad, no pen, paper. ये मत लिखो भाई, थोड़ा फास्ट लिखो, टाइम नहीं है तुम आराम आराम से बोल रहा वहां पे लिखे इधर करेक्ट, ठीक है, डन डन. Where? Okay. Same thing, can you write in Excel? Huh? Tell me. Yes, me. Tell me yes or no. We can write it. See, we also studied like if you're something writing below, that is subscript. If you're writing up, that is superscript, right? Same thing can be done here also. The 2 should be below, right? Double click on this in the cell. Double click in this cell. Double click anywhere. Double click in this cell. How can I go to that 2? With the help of shift key, right? Sorry, arrow key, arrow key. I want to select this 2. Shift and arrow key selected. How I selected? Shift and arrow key selected. Now, which number selected? 2. I will apply either right click, format cells, or shortcut key is Control 1. Either right click, format cells, or Control 1. Format cells, font, subscript, hit OK. Can you see? Same thing. I want to select 4. Select the 4. How can I select 4? With the help of shift and arrow key. Control 1, go to font, subscript, hit OK. What is superscript?
Squares, cubes.
This 2. Superscript. नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ यहाँ पर ट्राई करो. Control 1. Then strike through. What is strike through? Line.
Crossing.
Let's suppose fail or pass. If marks is less than or so greater than 40, pass, otherwise fail. This person is fail, right? So let's suppose if I write the same number here, 20 and F. I want to strike through this line. Right? Cross this line. Control 1, go to font and strike through. Any questions? Okay. Alignment. In alignment itself, one more thing I forgot. Rep text, string to fit, merge cells. What is rep text? If I'm writing, let's suppose I'm writing here Excel. I'm writing space VBA. If I'm writing again Excel VBA macros. See, I wrote only in single column, single cell number is F96. I wrote only in F96, but visibly it's showing into column G also. G also, right? In order to avoid that, what I can do is I can go to format cells. I can click on ref text, either ref text from here or ref text here. See, whatever function you are seeing here, right? Everything up to here, now up to font to number, everything is available in control one. Number group, ये वाला part. Alignment group, this part. Font group, this part, right? So now, ref text, click on this. Now you write anything here. Excel, VBA, macros. Institute. Same cell. It's not going into the next cell. Visibly. Not going, not appearing.
Text file.
Text.
Text file.
Hmm.
This option is also coming here.
Text file. This text only, na?
Not text.
Ref text.
This option is coming in also there also.
Word or where?
No. Text file. If you create text file,
CSV you're talking about?
no. Just normal text file.
Text file. Which text file? Excel file. This Excel only.
Not, that's a default text file. It's coming in this window. Go to desktop, create new.
Desktop पे जाके क्या create करना बोलो?
Create new.
New notepad, I think.
New notepad.
Notepad.
Text document. Text document.
अच्छा. Notepad.
Notepad.
Notepad में नहीं होता ना ये.
होता सर.
वो try नहीं किया. Notepad बोले तो ये. This is Notepad, okay?
Sorry, maybe for format. Format. Word.
Okay, let's suppose here I am writing. VBA.
Something you can write till 56 word of till. After that, it is automatically in the new line.
अच्छा.
Automatically. You are entering 56 letter, something in limit is there.
पता नहीं.
After that,
Might be. Done. This is okay. Ref text. Now, margin center. Let's suppose I have this table. And I want to give a heading to this table. What should be the heading of this? Heading. Student marks or report card or progress card, right? If I write progress card, is it okay to write like this, the heading? Why no? Okay, it should be. Okay, then I will say Control X and Control V. Is it okay? Control है ना? Okay, center. Okay, done. Is it okay? Huh? No, I've written here only na. Let me give the border also. Is it okay? Right, like this? Progress card? No, right? Border. Okay, I'll remove border also then. I'll go here and I'll remove borders. I'll give this border. Is it okay? This line also I can remove if you want. I can say no border. I can say this border. Is it okay now? Okay, if I click on here, the cell is this cell, different cells. This should be single line, right? Single line. Select it and click on merge and center. Now it is a perfect heading. Merge and center. Merge and center means I want to merge these three columns, these three cells, right? I'll select these three cells and click on merge in center. If I write anything here now, let's suppose if I write progress, done. Shrink to fit means क्या होता है? Automatically it will align. Example, if I'm writing like this, Excel, VBA, macros. If I shrink to fit, see what happens? Shrink to fit. Particular cell, it will be shrink and fit automatically. Done. Font wise, you can choose any of the font. The only thing I'll tell you here is for the freshers, because working professional, they are aware about it. Mostly we are using Arial and Calibri format. Which font? Calibri this. And size should be 11. Calibri 11, we are choosing it, or Arial 10. Mostly in our working. Never ever choose any fancy font, fancy, design and everything. ठीक है? Calibri is fine. Calibri Arial. Okay? Either Calibri or Arial. Arial will be here. Arial, this one. So font wise, you can choose any of the font and regular, bold, italic. You know what is regular, bold, italic and everything? Bold means thick. Italic, little bit. Bold, italic. Size wise, you can choose it, right? Font color, you can choose. Underline, you can go double underline, single underline, whatever it is, but never go with underline. Okay. Strike through subscript, this is already completed, right? Border, you can choose any of the border. Border, let's suppose this is the border I have. By the way, is it border? These are the borders. Tell me, this is the border, or this is the border?
It's
This is the border. These are not border. These are grids. These are grid lines. These are border. Also, like few people how they are giving border. Don't mind, but I've seen in my team also, girls. They used to give different kind of borders. Like they used to give border, very fancy border. Like I'll tell you, girls don't mind. Okay. So they used to give border like this. Let me give outer line, inner line, and border. They used to give me border color like this. Let's suppose this border, outer inner line, hit OK. Can you see the borders? 1 minute.
you are
Other way is like border style is this. Outline means this is the outer line, correct? Choose this outer line. Inner line means inside these lines. This is a border color. Let's suppose border color is this green. Okay. Apply outline and inline both. Hit OK. Never ever apply these kind of borders. I always go with these borders only. Professional border चाहिए होता है. कभी भी impress करने के लिए borders नहीं डालना कभी. ठीक है, ऑफिस में fancy borders नहीं डालना कभी. Don't send this kind of borders to your boss or the client. Never ever. Go with the simple borders only, like this one. Okay. And headings also, I'll tell you. See example, this is my data set. Heading wise also, I will just recommend. Rest, it's up to you. But I recommend this kind of headers. Like fill with blue color and font color should be white. So decent लगता है दिखने में. Or people they are choosing like different cell styles, like heading they are choosing like this, or people they are choosing like heading like this is also fine. Don't go with red fill color with white font color, red fill color with yellow font color, or fill color with yellow. काला पीला नहीं कभी भी करना चाहिए, ठीक है? फिल कलर तूने पीला दे दिया येलो, फॉन्ट जो तुमने काला दे दिया, काला पीला अपन बोलते ना जब कॉलेज आते थे भाई आज तो काला पीला बन के आया, तो येलो शर्ट और व्हाइट कलर की सॉरी ब्लैक कलर की ट्राउजर बन के आते थे पहले लॉन्ग बैक आवर टाइम। स्टफ फेवरेट कलर होता था व्हाइट येलो कलर का शर्ट और ब्लैक कलर की पैंट ट्राउजर। हाँ कभी भी नहीं करना वैसा वाला काम। हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे देखो कुछ रिकमेंडेड रहते हैं, यहाँ पे ये वाला ले लो, ये वाला दिस इज ओके, यू कैन गो विद दिस इज आल्सो फाइन, यू कैन गो विद दिस इज आल्सो फाइन, ठीक है? हाँ दिस आल्सो आई कैन डू सेम थिंग, गो हियर, हाँ सेम दो अच्छा रहेगा, सेम थिंग लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट कलर यू वांट यू कैन गिव, और both also can be same, select it and give the same both, this one or this one is fine, but ensure that the header should be bold and the header size should be little bit one font extra, let's suppose 12 or 13 whatever it is. Then mostly working professional they are aware about it, but like for you मृत्युंजय नाम भूल गया मैं, तुम्हारा भूल गया, पंकज तुम्हारा भी नाम भूल गया, श्रीनिवास है, श्रीकांत, सागर, सागर हाँ you joined right on yesterday? Wednesday. Sagar is from NMMS college, that is different Sagar yeah. Is okay right now? Yukti हाँ right. तुम्हारा Ritika right. ठीक है? फिल कलर वी कैन गिव एनी सेलेक्ट कलर, फिल कलर। अब यहाँ पे भी अपन दिमाग लगाते हैं, यहाँ पे भी क्या करते हैं पता है? Shall I tell you? यहाँ पे भी मैं बहुत बंदों को देखा है, यहाँ पे there are so many people they are choosing like you know fill color like this. I'll tell you example. This is the cell. How they will do? They will go with the pattern color like this. This is the pattern color. Pattern style will be like this, and they'll be clicking on it. ऐसा भी कलर देता लोग, क्या पता दिमाग अप्लाई करना, सिंपल कलर फिल कर लो यार, क्लिक करो यहाँ पे, वो देयर नो पैटर्न स्टाइल, सिंपल कलर ओनली, सिंपल कलर फिल करो, ब्लू वैसा कुछ भी ऐसा डाल दो चलेगा, ठीक है? Protection wise I'll not tell you now, protection will be covered as part of your review tab. Done? Any questions? 10:51 any questions?
I have to run particular cell.
I have told particular cell, that will be covered here. Valid question, but will be covered.
Then we will keep password also, sir.
Yes, that also will be covered here.
I locked the password, I forgot it. To unlock
That can be unlocked by the help of macros. Give you a macro. But encryption file cannot be recovered. You are gone. Encryption means like if you are opening an Excel file, if you are opening a bank statement, right? If you're receiving a bank statement on your email, can you open it directly? No. It is asking for the password. Same thing. If you're opening a Excel workbook, before opening it should ask the password. That is also possible. I'll tell you as part of this protection sheet. Done? Any more questions? Are you all set? Let's discuss few things about here and then we'll discuss rest of the things. Okay. Control C, Control V, Control X. बचपन सबसे पहले ये सीखे थे, कंप्यूटर लॉगिन करते ही Control C कॉपी, Control V पेस्ट, Control X कट, इंस्टीट्यूट में राइट, बेसिक कंप्यूटर कोर्स में सीखे सबसे पहले। टीचर बता हाँ बेटा लिखो यहाँ पे ABC, सर लिख दिया ABC, करो कॉपी, Control C पेस्ट करो, Control, ये सिखाया ना सर ने, सबसे पहले ये सिखाया था, सिस्टम लॉगिन करते हैं, राइट? आता सबको आता है, यहाँ भी कर रहे हैं। I can just copy this, paste it here, paste it here, paste it anywhere. Unlimited time I can paste. Unlimited time I can paste. Because see, can you see this running line here? It means this is still in which mode? Copy mode. Which mode? I can paste n number of times. But if it is not there, now can I paste here something? No. Why? Nothing is copied. Without having petrol and bike, I cannot drive my bike. Petrol is not there. If I haven't copied anything, I cannot paste anything. लड़का बोला सर आपने बोला n times number n number of times control C control V कर सकते हैं. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, हो ही नहीं रहा. तो तुमने कॉपी किया नहीं, फिर didn't copy anything. How can you paste? Yes. आपकी बाइक में पेट्रोल नहीं है, can you drive? Same thing here also. If I'm copying it and pasting here, yes, it will be pasted n number of time. It's still in copy mode. Which mode? Copy mode. Difference between copy and cut what? See, copy means we are copying it and pasting. Cut means cut and paste. It will be cut, Control X, cut and paste. Different place. Cut and paste here. It will be cut from the particular place and paste to the new place. Difference between cut and copy here. Copy means you can copy and paste n number of times, but cut and paste single time. Clear? Now, if I say Control C, if I say Control C and Control V, what's happening? Everything is getting copied and pasted. Everything is getting copied and pasted, right? It means in this cell, I have Excel. Excel is the value, right? Red color is the font color. Yellow color is the cell color. And this is nothing but comment. Comment is there, value is there, font color is there, cell color is there. Cell color, font color, these are formatting. Yes or no? Cell color, font color, these are called a formatting. This section is calling as a comment. The red wala jo, wo kya hai? Comment. Excel kya hai yahan pe? Value. Excel is a, okay, I just need to copy value. That's it. Tell me, how can I copy and paste here the value? What my question? I do not want that red font color and yellow fill color. No, I simply want to copy Excel, EXCEL. That's it. That should be pasted here. That is my requirement. If I say Control C and Control V, what's happening? Everything is getting copied and pasted. Excel is copying, getting pasted, copying, pasted. Font color, fill color, and comments. Everything is getting copied. But no, my requirement is not like that. My requirement is I simply want to see like this. Like this. Tell me. Tell me, guys. Copy and paste, simply I told you, na, Control C and Control V. What's happening?
It's values. Paste in values.
Paste?
Special.
Yes. That is the resolution. That is the solution. Paste spatial. I'll tell you one example. अपन पेस्ट करते हैं, कौन सा करते हैं? टोलगेट. एक टोलगेट में नया वेरिएंट भी है. क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? ऐड देखा है? कोलगेट सॉल्ट, राइट? अब उसका ऐड क्या रहता है? ऐड में बोलते हैं हम लाए हैं आपके कोलगेट को स्पेशल बनाने के लिए, हमने उसमें सोल्ट ऐड किया है. कोलगेट सॉल्ट उसमें रहता है ना, सोल्ट ऐड करते हैं. उसको स्पेशल बनाने के लिए उसमें क्या किया? सोल्ट ऐड किया उन लोगों ने स्पेशल बनाने के लिए. कोलगेट तो नॉर्मल भी रहता है, 10 रुपीज का भी आता है, 20 का भी आता है. नॉर्मल वाला कोलगेट व्हाइट कलर का रहता है, देखो जो बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं अभी भी. करेक्ट. सो बट दे हैव added the salt into it in order to create it or prepare it to special. Paste special. What is that? यहाँ पे paste special है. सिंपल पेस्ट तो क्या है, सिंपल कोलगेट। यहाँ पेस्ट स्पेशल क्या है, सॉल्ट वाला। इसको क्या है यहाँ पे यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, कंट्रोल सी। पेस्ट स्पेशल क्या है यहाँ पे, शॉर्टकट की क्या है लिख लो, ऑल्ट ई एस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑल्ट प्लस ई प्लस एस, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस, ऑल्ट ई एस। Done. I just copied it and I'll paste here, alt es. Tell me what do you want to paste, tell me now. There's so many options, what do you want to paste? I asked for value, tell me. If I say value, hit okay. What pasted? I want only the formatting of it. Let's suppose formatting, what is the formatting here in this cell? Right, font, fill color yellow, only two formatting is there, right? Comments doesn't come under formatting, okay? Copy it and I want the same formatting here, nothing but font color should be and fill color should be yellow. Alt yes. Which one? Formats, hit okay. I want to have same comment. Excel is the good application here. Only comment, only comment. Control C, apply here, Alt yes. Which one? Is it okay? Colgate special, paste special.
So I want to make it three in triangle shape of the values.
Triangle shape what?
Triangle shape values.
Hmm.
Excel, Excel, and that.
इसका part नहीं है offline. It is not part of this exercise. Relevant question पूछो ना. Any questions here? बना सकते, बाद में बनाएंगे. Ask the relevant questions here. Any questions? Formula? No formula with this. How can you copy this comment in the formula, for the formula, with the formula, sorry, you can't. Okay, tell me one thing. Let's suppose if I'm entering 10, 20, 30, result is here 60 because sum of these numbers, right? Okay, here I want to copy this and pasting here. Tell me the number result will be. What I'm going to copy there, tell me what I'm going to copy.
Formula.
Control C, Control V. What will happen? Everything is copy pasted, nothing but formatting and formula both. Yes. Same thing I can also done with the help of, see, Control C, if I'm pasting here, what happened? Only formula, not formatting. Done? Done, these things done? All using source theme. Validation is what actually, I'll tell you. See, I have some drop down. Example here, I have MI, I have MRR, I have GT. And I want to have a drop down list here. MI, RR, GT. The drop down list, I want to create it. By the way, this validation will be part of your data validation here. But in order to discuss that is special, I'm just going to a validation here itself. Old DL, let me use old DL. These are my team names. Apply, hit OK. Can you see drop down here? This is called validation. Do you see a drop down here? Here, I want to copy this validation. Control C and want to apply here. Alt E S. Apply validation, hit OK. Can you see now? How I applied validation? Don't think too much. We discuss as part of data. Clear? Next. All using source theme. All using source theme. All means, let's suppose I have this table. And I'm pasting here. Yes. All using source theme. All means everything. Simple Control C, Control V. Done? Control Z again. Now, can you see borders here in this table? Yes or no? Control C. Go here. Yes. All except right? Now, if I choose data set here, Control C. Let me choose this data set only. Delete it. Control C and OTS. Formulas and number format. Formulas and number format. If I choose this number and pasting here, values and number format. 20, 40, 60 result is 120, but here it is giving me 60 because values and format. And here it is a formula and number format. Clear? And if I copy this, 1 minute. If I copy this and pasting here, OTS, formula and number format, formula copied, right? If I'm copying this and line values and number format, do you see any formula there? No, here, because I applied formula and number format. Now you see, if I copy this and I want to remove this formula, I want to remove this formula from this cell. How can I remove this formula from the cell? The number 60 should be there. If I remove this formula from here completely, what is the result there? Nothing. But 60 should be there, tell me. It means formula has to replace with values. Has to replace with, I will copy this. Cursor will be here only cursor, OTS, and that should be changed into values. It okay. See, no more formula, only values is there. Done. Very, very important. At times, what happens is that the formula will be there, and you have to change that formula into values. Same thing. Control C and apply this special values. Done. Any questions? I'll take 5 more minutes. 2023. 20. Let me delete this. Clear all. Okay, done. Now, let's suppose there were 3 sales representatives A, B, C, and they were selling iPhones, iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, target for them was 100 and 200 and 300. Maybe B and C, they are senior and A was junior. B is TL, C is manager, example. So for C, the target was 300, for B 200, and for A it was 100. Now target has revised. They have added 20 more quantities for each. 20 more quantities for each sales representative. Tell me, how can I add that number here? It should be 120, it should be 220, it should be 320. Might be you're thinking that, okay, what I will do is, if it's only 3 employees, you simply gonna go ahead and write it manually. But 1,000 employees, let's suppose the number is 100 only. Simply go ahead and you can write 120, 220, 300. Okay, sir, done. 1,000 में कैसे करने बैठते हैं? 10,000 employees are there, example. 10,000 sales representatives are there. Then how will you add? Same number you have to add, but with each figure. With each figure. That is the requirement. Same number, nothing but 20 should be added to all these numbers. 120, 220, 320. Might be thinking, okay, I will do one thing. I will write number 20 by 20. And I will say this plus this. Yes, we can do it. With the help of formula. Done. Then I can say I want to remove this formula. What I'll do? Want to remove the formula? I just now told you. What I'll do? Value
as values.
Values done. Okay, done. Once it is done, I'll remove these numbers. You know why I told you values? I'll tell you example also. See, example, it is a formula now. If I do not want this number now, what will happen? You know what happened? Formula is there, right? That's what, because in this cell there's nothing. Still, So that's what I told you. I want this number 120 should be there. I want to remove the formula. I have to copy this, Alt ES, values, hit OK, and then remove these numbers. Now it is okay. Clear? Now, no, I do not want to apply formula. I want to do it with the help of paste spatial. Paste spatial. I can do it. See, select these numbers. Same thing, paste it here. That we can do. If it is 10,000 number, 1,000 number also, we can copy and paste. No issues with that, right? Done. Write that number 20 anywhere in the another cell. Now, copy this 20. Copy this 20. Select this range. Alt ES, shortcut key for paste spatial is Alt ES. Operations means you want to add, subtraction, division, multiplication. What do you want to do? Click on add, hit OK. See, I want to add or I want to decrease. Let's suppose 2024 March onwards. Team is not doing great. Management is not happy. So they are again subtracting 20 quantities from their values. It means again they have to deduct 20 more quantity. How will I do it? Select this 20, select this range, Alt ES. This time it will be subtract, hit OK. Multiply you can do, division you can do.
How to select cell without shortcut?
Without shortcut means cell select here, na? Control C. पहले भी तो कॉपी किया था, पहले भी कॉपी किया है, रख के कंट्रोल सी करा था ना पहले. Done? Any questions? All set? This part we'll discuss not. Okay, can I tell you now only? 5 minutes. You're under class. What time? Okay. We'll discuss later than these two. Okay. That's it, guys. You can go. You also want to go? Any questions? Like this? Which Excel version you have? You? Read करो. Desktop or laptop? And you can go ahead with the original one. Lifetime. But one time payment रहेगा उसका. You?
Windows 8 है वो सारे.
8, हाँ? उधर 8 वर्जन ही नहीं है. 7 है. तो 7 है. लैपटॉप है डेस्कटॉप है. ऑनलाइन कर लो डाउनलोड जाके वहां से. डमी वर्जन कर लो, फ्री में रहेगा. But you guys are learning now. You are preparing for your preparation for your job and all. Go with the original one. It's one time. Yes, please. Yes. Sorry?
Class.
Class over. Yes. You can. You may leave. Sorry. Actually, I have to disconnect. Thanks, everyone. See you on Monday.